Hi guys, if you want to learn how to turn your dirty beauty blenders into something extremely clean, you have to continue watching this hack. It's amazing and life-changing. So I want to start off with my dirtiest beauty blender. I'm going to start off by running a little bit of water, getting the soap ready, and from what I've seen in this hack, you basically scrub while you're running it in the water. You scrub on the soap. As you can see, it's really, you saw how dirty it was, so let's give it a shot. I'm going to squeeze out as much as I can. Wow, it's really looking a million times better doing this technique, because whatever I was doing with just the soap, like the pump soap, it wasn't really cleaning it. So let's see if we can bring this beauty blender back to life. Inspiration with someone I saw online. I'll put the video that I saw this on, because again, I'm just trying to test out the beauty blender hack here. Oops. But I'm actually really impressed. I would say my life is forever changed with how to clean these beauty blenders. So here is what it looks like now. You can see a lot of the residues, for the most part, has come off, or the buildup in the blender. Honestly, I know I'm not going to be able to get it to its original state, but from where it came from, this is like leaps and bounds clean. You can see it. I'll take some better pictures here. But yeah, looks amazing. Let me stop the water for a second. I'm sure I can keep going, but just the amount of dirt that's come out of the blender is pretty amazing. So I definitely think that this is a hack that's going to be staying in my routine. So I'm gonna try this other one. So this isn't the beauty blender. This is I can't remember what brand this is, but I had bought this. I don't know if I got this from Target or like Marshall's. You know, one of those like off brands. It's a little bit more firm, but you can still see a little bit of the buildup from the product that has been used on this blender. So let me clean this out and see how much I can get out of this one. Residue. So again, this is kind of like the after shot. Impressed. And I was actually going to get a new beauty blender, but I think I've salvaged this for a few more uses. All right. Hopefully you guys give this hack a try, and comment below if you have any other hacks, and if you like this type of video, let me know by hitting that like button. All right, see you guys later.